Hello friends, welcome to my channel BS Physics. Now I am going to discuss current electricity part 7. So topic to be covered are current density, relation between current density and conductivity, unit and dimensional formula of current density, electric field and conductivity. So let us discuss what is current density. Current density is defined as the amount of current flowing per unit area provided the area held normal to the current. That means this is the part of a cylindrical conductor having cross sectional area A, and this is the direction of electric current. So current density is defined as the amount of current flowing through the conductor per unit area, but the current should normal to that area. That means the area held normal to the direction of current. So it is represented by J. Mathematically, current density J is equal to current per area. In vector form, current density is a vector quantity because in that case area is a vector quantity and that area held normal to the direction of current. So J vector is equal to I divided by area vector. In SI system, the unit of current density is ampere per meter square. Current density J is equal to change in current divided by change in area. Therefore, J vector is equal to dI divided by dA. Then J vector dot dA vector is equal to dI. Dot product between J vector and area vector. So dI is equal to JDA cos theta. Dot product of two quantity in form of cos theta. So finally dI is equal to JDA cos theta. But in that case, theta is 90 degree. That means current density and area vector are perpendicular. Theta is equal to 90 degree. So cos 90 is equal to 1. So dI is equal to JDA cos 90. So finally dI is equal to JDA. dI is equal to J into dA. Taking integration on both sides, we get integration of dI is equal to integration of JDA. dI integration I is equal to J as a constant, integration of dA is equal to A. So finally J is equal to I divided by A. That means current density is equal to current per unit area. Find out the relation between current density and conductivity. Consider a cylindrical conductor of length L connected with a source. As soon as electric field applied, it creates a potential difference between the ends of the conductor. But we know that current density is equal to current by area and current density is equal to conductivity into electric field. But according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. As soon as electric field applied, it creates a potential difference between the ends of the conductor. Then the relation between electric field and potential, E is equal to V by L. So V is equal to EL. So putting the value of V is equal to IR, V is equal to EL. So EL is equal to IR. Therefore EL is equal to I into R is equal to resistance. Resistance is equal to rho L by A, where rho is the resistivity. So EL is equal to I into rho L by A. So EL is equal to I into rho L by A. L cancel. E is equal to I into rho divided by A. Rearranging this term, E divided by rho is equal to I divided by A. Therefore, E into 1 by rho is equal to I by A. But 1 by rho is equal to conductivity. Reciprocal of resistivity is equal to conductivity. And current per area is equal to current density. So current per area is equal to current density is equal to E into 1 by rho is equal to conductivity. So this is the relation between current density, electric field and conductivity. J is equal to sigma E. In vector form, J vector is equal to sigma into E vector. Now, find out the dimensional formula of current density, electric field and conductivity. So, current density is equal to current by area. Current is equal to M0, L0, T0, A1 by area is equal to L square. So, dimensional formula of J is equal to M0, L minus 2, T0, A1. And in SI system, unit of J, current density is equal to ampere per meter square. Then electric field. Electric field is equal to force by charge, but force is equal to M1 L1 T minus 2 by charge is equal to 80. So finally, dimensional formula of E is equal to M1 L1 T minus 3 A minus 1. But in SI system, unit of electric field is equal to Newton per Coulomb, force is equal to Newton, charge is equal to Coulomb. Then conductivity. Conductivity is equal to reciprocal of resistivity, but dimensional formula of resistivity is equal to M1 L3 T minus 3 A minus 2. So dimensional formula of conductivity is equal to M minus 1 L minus 3 T3 A2. In SI system, the unit of conductivity is ohm inverse meter inverse or mho into meter inverse. Then conductance. Conductance is equal to reciprocal of resistance, but a dimensional formula of resistance is M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 2. So finally, dimensional formula of conductance is equal to M minus 1 L minus 2 T3 A2. And in SI system, the unit of conductance is mho. So in the next videos, I will discuss color code of a carbon resistor. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want to watch more videos, press bell icon. Thank you so much.